Welcome back. In this section of the program, we will discuss fitting and plumbing the lead sleeve. The procedure begins as you bring the previously fitted lead sleeve into position over the joint. Using a lead dresser, dress down the ends of the sleeve. Once this has been achieved, remove the oxide film from the sheath and sleeve with a shave hook until a bright, shiny surface appears. Check the underside surfaces with a mirror to ensure that they are also clean and shiny, with all traces of oxide removed. The sleeve is now ready to be fixed into position. First, move the sleeve as far as it will go to one side and place a mark on the sheath. Then move the sleeve as far as it will go in the opposite direction. Again, mark the sheath. Then position the sleeve centrally between the two marks. Fix the position of the sleeve by gently tapping down each end. Rub tallow generously over the prepared areas to prevent the surfaces from oxidizing. We now come to the most difficult part, plumbing the sleeve to the sheath. Here are two very important safety points to remember before you begin. Firstly, keep water away from the plumbing area. Water splashed into the pot could cause an explosion, flinging molten metal everywhere. Secondly, always warm the spoons before using them. It is recommended that you place them against the gas stove whilst heating the metal. Using grade S5 plumber's metal, heat the metal to approximately 290 degrees centigrade. The temperature should be measured with a digital thermometer. With the aid of a spoon and catch cloth, pour small quantities of metal over the area to be plumbed in order to preheat the prepared area. This will activate the tallow, thus aiding the tinning process. Apply the metal using quick pouring movements in order not to burn through the lead sleeve. The temperature of the metal in the ladle is maintained by frequently interchanging it with metal in the pot. To catch the molten metal effectively, make an impression of the pouring spoon in the catch cloth. Continue pouring on, then wiping off the metal until it begins partially to solidify or plasticize, partly on the surfaces, but mostly in the catch cloth. Using a moleskin wiping cloth, mold the solidifying metal into a plumber's wipe. Concentrate on the edges and the underside to achieve a reasonable finish without the use of too much additional heat. Cool the wipe with tallow. Where additional heat is required in order to shape the wipe, apply heat to the metal using quick movements of the gas torch. Final shaping of the wipe is achieved by applying enough heat to enable the metal to be shaped correctly into a plumber's wipe as demonstrated. Check the underside with a mirror to ensure that the shape and condition of the metal are satisfactory. Finally, remove any rough areas from the surface. Complete the wipe by cooling the lead with tallow. A good wipe is evenly shaped, both top and bottom, making it mechanically and electrically strong. Repeat the plumbing process to seal off the opposite end of the sleeve. After the break, we will discuss fitting the earth wire and pouring the compound.